Hey y'all, it's that time again. It's Math with Mrs. Peters, the crazy cat lady of Hiram High School. Today we're going to study some more about sequences, and today is going to be arithmetic sequences. These are sequences that have a difference. In other words, you're going to be either adding or subtracting to get to the next term. Okay, we're going to talk about the explicit formula. All right, now I've got this all written out here. A sub n is the unknown term. It's the next one, it's the one down. A sub 1 is always the first term. We know that because it's got the subnotation 1. Okay. D is the common difference between each of the terms. And this n right here is the unknown out of the domain. It's where are we, which term in the domain are we going to be looking for? All right, so let's look at writing a rule using this formula. So we're going to look at our formula. We're going to look at our sequence. We have 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, to go from 3 to 5, I added 2. To go from 5 to 7, I added 2. To go from 7 to 9, I added 2. So my common difference, well, first off, because I'm adding, this is always arithmetic. Okay, and my difference is a positive 2. My first term, my very first term is this one right here. Here's my first term, okay, and it is 3. All I have to do is take these numbers, the difference of 2 and the first term, and stick them in my formula. Okay, so a sub 1 is 3. My difference was positive 2. I'm going to use the distributive property and distribute, okay, those in there. So this is now 3 plus 2n minus 2. I simplify by collecting like terms, and I get 1 plus 2n. Or if I rewrite it so that the 2n comes first, hopefully it would look like this, which amazingly enough looks like a linear equation with 2 being the slope. So if I wrote this as y was equal to 2x plus 1, I have a linear equation. And that's a really important piece of information that I want y'all to notice, is that a arithmetic sequence gives us a linear equation. One more time. Okay, so here's one. What type of sequence is this? Well, because Mrs. Peters was talking about arithmetic, this one's probably arithmetic, but we're going to test it. So my domain right here is my counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, my natural numbers. Okay, and let's see, from 5 to 14, what do you do to get from 5 to 14? Well, I added 9. And from 14 to 23, add a 9 again. So my difference is adding 9. My first term is 5. Put them into my formula where they belong. Do my distributive property. Simplify by collecting like terms. Rewrite it so it's sort of in a linear form. And my slope in this case would be 9 over 1. And that's it for this lesson. So if you have any questions, come to tutoring. I'll be happy to answer them. You'll have some worksheet to do in class. And see you then. Y'all take care. I'm so proud of you. Bye.